In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data in Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud storage service that lets you keep important files online, including documents, photos, videos, and spreadsheets, so you can access them from different devices whenever you need them. If you want a simple way to upload your data using the Dropbox website, this process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be any modern browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the official Dropbox website. When the page loads, sign into your Dropbox account using your login details. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox homepage, where you can see your files and folders if you already have content stored there. Before uploading anything, it helps to make sure you know where the file or folder is saved on your computer. This makes the next part faster and easier, especially if you're uploading multiple items. If needed, you can also open the folder location on your computer in advance so you're ready to select it. Now, look for the upload option on the Dropbox website and click it. After clicking upload, you'll usually see the choice to upload either individual files or an entire folder. If you only want to add a few documents, images, or videos, choose the files option. If you want to upload a group of items that are already organized inside a folder on your computer, choose the folder option instead. Next, a file selection window will open on your computer. Use this window to browse to the data you want to add to Dropbox. Once you find the correct file or folder, select it, then click Open. Dropbox will begin uploading your data immediately. Depending on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection, the upload may take a few seconds or a little longer. It's a good idea to wait until the upload finishes completely before closing the browser tab or navigating away from the page. Once the upload is done, your files should appear in your Dropbox account, ready to view, organize, or share later if needed. And that's all it takes to add data in Dropbox using the website. It's a quick process, and once you've done it once, it becomes even easier the next time.